Hello friends, today I would like to show you how to boot your Windows to your flash drive. So first you need to go to uh, Firefox or Chrome to download a software for this bootable. So I go to Google and download Rufus download. Okay, and then you can click here. Okay, and then you can download this software from this website. Okay, here if you have versions uh, H 864 or 886. It depends on your window operation. So my window, most of the window that we use nowadays is 864. So we can download this one, close it. Okay, so it will be download. Okay, after download, you can go to get this software. Okay, so I have my own also. You can click on it. Okay, and then here you need to choose your flash drive. So here is my flash drive. So first you need to have the software. Second, you need to have your flash drive, and then you have to need OS of the window, like Windows Server or Windows 7, something like that. Okay, and then you choose your flash. After that, you choose select, and then you need to browse to your window. So I put my window here. Here is my window. So if you don't have the window, you can go to Google and download the window. Okay, or you can drop the message. So I will give you the image of the window. So I would like to boot Windows Server. So the same thing, you can also boot Windows 10. So now I need to boot Windows Server 2019. Open. Okay. So after you boot here, you choose GPT. Okay, then you can this one UFI. Okay, and after that you can start. When it start, it will format your flash. So make sure that your flash need to copy your data, and then uh, you can start to format it. Okay, I start. Okay, okay. Okay, so now it's checking for conflicting. Okay, so the mistake it will say the data will be destroyed. So make sure that your data in flash need to be copied, or otherwise your data will be deleted. Okay, now I already copy my data. Okay, start. Okay, now it start to formatting our flash. Okay, okay, after it's format, now it start boot the window to our flash drives. Okay, now you can wait a bit. This will not take longer. Okay, everyone can make this one. After you finish, you can use your flash drive to boot everyone's. It will show the status success here. Okay, see, yeah. See, now it is progressing. So let's wait a bit. So in this video, I don't post everyone. So I let make it complete. So if you want to uh, like go faster, okay, you can go faster until it finish. The performance of this one, it's based on your uh, performance of the flash. If your flash is perform well, so the process of booting this one is also faster everyone. So I think this one I need to post everyone, so you can when you boot the window you can see the status will be success. Now I will post the window. Okay, so I think this one is it is okay, so no problem for it. Yes, as you can see, so after it finish, it will show this option status ready. So now you can go to your bootable here. Okay, see, so the window it has been created, so we can use this flash to boot your PC. Okay, that's all for this video, everyone. Thank you.